RAM exam, a system for measuring vehicle frames. The twisting of the frame, the lateral deflection, as well as the diagonal deflection are the main faults of vehicle frame shapes. These defects can have a decisive influence on the alignment of the commercial vehicle's suspension system. A complete system for comprehensive frame checking enables detection of shape defects in three-dimensional space, as well as repair under constant supervision of diagnostic devices. The system is made up of very high-quality components, which are mostly made of light alloys used in the aviation industry and precision mechanics. Its laser heads are wireless, super-precise measuring units with high resistance to the impact of the workshop environment. The principles of the measurement procedure applied are both well-tried and understandable. This allowed for the creation of a user-friendly testing system that can be fully used by commercial vehicle service center employees. Some of the assembly units used, such as synchronous rulers, screens, or wheel clamps, are compatible with the truck exam and the truck line wheel and axle checking systems. The system consists of RAM exam head, synchronous rulers with screens and stands, wheel clamp, magnetic head clamp, magnetic screens, adjustable side screen, tri-square and testing ruler, magnetic measuring column, head charger, and RAM exam display board. The Truck Report software is a repair and measurement assistant that allows for automatic analysis of the measured parameters. The analysis is conducted after the data has been entered by the diagnostician. You can print at any time, and all data can be saved. RAM exam is a perfect complement to post-accident repair systems such as HERKULES Truck, JOSEM, and Blackhawk.